Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start your own business? Then you need a complete business plan to succeed. But creating a business plan can be daunting, especially if you're new to the game. That's where we come in. Our professional service offers a complete business plan package that covers all aspects of your business, from market research to financial projections. We'll work with you to create a customized business plan that aligns with your goals and vision for your business. Our team of experts has years of experience in creating business plans that are tailored to your specific needs and industry. We'll provide you with a comprehensive business plan that includes detailed financial projections, marketing strategies, and a thorough analysis of your target market and competitors. With our service, you can be confident that you have a winning business plan that's designed to attract investors and set your business up for success. So why wait? Order our complete business plan service today and take the first step towards realizing your dream of owning a successful business. The service link in the video description. Contact us today to get started and take your business to the next level.